Hey, another video here, guys. Today I'm doing the sound test of this Rotel and Lafayette and JVC. But right now I'm using the JVC for the Sansui speakers because today this stuff it's going to somebody else's hands. I sold this, and 2 days from now he's gonna pick up this stereos, except for the Lafayette. So he's buying the Rotel and the JVC and the Sansuis. And today I just want to do the test. I just want to listen to the sound of this Rotel, JVC, and Sansui. Yeah, so this buyer, he's not a bad buyer. He wants to have a good quality sounds, a good turntable, and a good amplifier and speakers. He's paying $500 for all this one here, and this one, and the Sansui, because usually the Sansui it's about $250, $300 or more. If you buy this, if you sell this in eBay, that's how the retail price, that's how they price the Sansui speakers. And this thing here, it's about, I would say, 200, and this Rotel here about maybe 150. So I gave him a discount, and I just want to give it to him for 500. And I hope he would like the sound of this Sansui, and we'll talk about the price. So to be honest, guys, for that price, that's not bad at all, because you think about it, you have turntable, amplifier, and the Sansui speakers. And if you buy this separately, you're gonna be paying more, and you're probably paying maybe almost $700, or it could be more. So I buy and sell, and I'm trying to be fair for everybody. I'm fair to everybody about pricing, and the right price. I don't want to sell it with a lot of profit, and I don't want to be that kind of jerk. So this Rotel, it's RP 5300, which is not bad, and the JVC is the JAS 55, and this is the Sansui SP 2000. And this is not a bad brand, guys. This is not like the low brands that you can buy out there, like Optimus brand, or Radio Shack, or RCA. This is in the middle class, and it's a good stereos. Hopefully he would like this. And to you guys out there, if you're gonna buy and sell, even though you get it for a low price, or a good price, don't overprice it when you sell stuff. Just be fair. Even though you put a little profit, that's fine, but not like $100 profit or more, because it's not right for the buyer to spend a lot of money, and eventually you don't want your customer to think that you're taking advantage of them. So that's how I do it, guys, and that's how I buy and sell, and that's how I do my pricing. I just want them to be happy and enjoy the stereos they have, and I just want to be fair to the buyers. Sansui, it's a good brand. Sansui, it's a little pricey. It depends on the condition. If you buy it on eBay, it's going to cost you more. And the shipping and handling, yeah, just like the Rotel. Another thing, guys, I stopped, selling in eBay because, you have to ship this turntable. And turntable, guys, is very sensitive. It's very fragile, You can break the tone arm. You can break the, the turntable cover, You can break it. And they're going to ship it back to you and they want their money back. So that's why I stopped selling in eBay with the turntables. But receivers, it's okay. I can ship that, no problem. Wrap it up with the bubble wraps, put some foams around it, a lot of newspapers, and a lot of, bubble wraps on the corners, and whatever you can do to protect your receiver to ship it to other state. This stuff that I have here, guys, it's been sitting in my garage, and it's been, you can see the dust and everything, because I'd never cleaned this in a long time. I just don't have time. And as you can see here, you see the dust here, yeah, see. So I'm gonna clean this before I sell it to him, and it's gonna be good. I'm gonna varnish the wood a little bit and try to make it look presentable when you sell stuff. So selling, guys, stereos, it's important to clean it before, it's common sense, right? When you see it's dirty, sell it, clean it to look, clean and presentable, so your buyer doesn't, doesn't get upset or doesn't get disappointed. And, you never know, that's a good thing when you do that, because customers, they might see somebody or know somebody, their friends, and they recommend your name and they want to buy stuff from you, and they say, yeah, he's a good guy, he cleans stuff and he take care of the stuff, and he's not like looking bad and still good in the condition. And your reputation gets better and better every time you have a customer, if they spread those words. So that's how it is, guys, when you buy and sell. And over here I'm using this Audio. This is a power bank. This thing can run, as you can see, it can run the amplifier, turntables, computers, lampshades, and other stuff. And this is about 300 bucks, but I pay $70 for this, which is a good price. And I need it because when it's blackout, this thing helps. Yeah, you can plug your lampshade and other things, your phones, anything that you can charge. And you can see there's a cigarette lighter there, and I use this for my tire pressure, air pressure thing, my air pump for my car. You can carry this and you can plug it in there, and the cigarette lighter, and you can charge. You can add air in your tires for your car. So that's good. This is a good thing. This is a good brand, I believe, and the price that I pay, 70 bucks, that's a good deal. So just a simple video here, guys, about buying and selling, just tips of people out there that they do buy and sell. And you guys can sell stereos like in Facebook Market. If you live in other state, you can sell things in Facebook Market, and you can make some money, extra money. You work full-time and you have, sideline like this or other things that you sell or whatever you like to sell, and Facebook Market is good to sell. So guys, I hope you like this video. Just tips for buying and sellers out there, especially the new new kids in town about selling. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy buying and selling. Yeah, so this video is about buying and selling, guys. Add not add, but click the subscribers, and thank you for doing that, and I will see you again next time. Yeah, so I gotta finish my job here. I gotta clean this, and 2 days from now I'm gonna meet the guy and hand this to him, and he'll hand me his 500 bucks, and we had a good deal. So guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you again next time. For now, I'll say ciao ciao.